I picked up this Husqvarna 385XP a couple weeks ago. It was a really good deal. The fella had bought it, had no compression or a little compression, and he replaced the piston. When he did, he got good compression. When I took it from him, he let me have the piston that came with it. Obviously scored on the exhaust side. Intake side was clean, so I figured it was an air leak. And if he hadn't taken care of the air leak, then it was just going to happen again. So preparing for the vacuum and pressure check, I came across this piece, and I'm not sure what it is yet. I'm sure I'm not going to be happy when I find out, but I haven't chased it that far. So I had done already some leak checks, and I want to make a video to show how I can determine or how the vacuum check is done. I did some reading on this saw, 385XP. Notorious for the PTO side bearing slash seal to go bad. This is a 2001 early edition, so I thought it was even more likely. Previous testing, I found that it is a vacuum leak on that side. So there you just saw the vacuum degradation. Brought it up to about 10 pounds. It wasn't horrible, but it was dying. It slowly went down to about 7 to 5 pounds if you let it go long enough. Pressure test seems to hold pretty good, so I was happy with that. But to determine if it's actually a vacuum, what I did is pour a little two-stroke onto the bearing. So that bearing is the bearing and the seal. That brown ring, annular ring, is the seal. The saw has a history of spinning, the inner race spinning on the crank. So after I poured some two-stroke on, I do the vacuum test again. Bring it up. And it holds pretty tight. It sucks that oil in and creates a seal. So I'm pretty certain that's at least the big leak for this saw. That's my premise. Repair kit from Wolf Creek Saw Shop. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.